Most parts of South Goa district and a few places over North Goa district experienced showers along with thunder and lightning in the past 24 hours. Highest rainfall was recorded at Old Goa, which was 54 mm of rainfall, that is 5 centimeters of rainfall. And the second highest was reported Ponda, which was 43 mm. Then Sangin reported same 43 mm of rainfall. So the reason for this rainfall activity is the presence of a low pressure area over Southeast Arabian Sea. So yesterday, the presence of this system was creating strong easterly currents across Goa, and there was another circulation at around 0.9 kilometers of height over South Madhya Maharashtra. So these two systems were interacting with each other, and thunderstorm clouds were forming east of Goa and traveling across Goa from east to west direction. So this is just the satellite animation. You can see over Goa by around 5:30 or around 6 o'clock, clouds were forming and moving across Goa from east to west. And this is the animation of radar images. You can see the clouds were forming over South Goa region, and they were moving towards northwest direction through Panaji and some parts of North Goa district. Now, based on present observations, these systems, the system over Southwest Arabian Sea, that is going to weaken as well as move further away from Goa. So in coming days, that is from tomorrow onwards, the probability of rainfall over Goa is comparatively lesser. As of now, we are issuing dry weather over Goa from tomorrow onwards. For the first day, that is on 11th of December, there is probability of isolated rainfall or thunder shower activity over Goa. That means 1 or 2 stations over both the districts may receive light rainfall associated with thunder showers. And I would like to bring your attention to this bulletin that was issued on 7th of December. In that, we had already forecasted that on 9th, 10th and 11th of December, there is probability of rain or thunder showers, and these forecasts were issued right from 7th of December onwards. They were shared on IMD Goa's websites as well as on IMD Goa's social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook accounts. So we would request that public please be updated regularly about weather related information from IMD Goa's website or from its social media platforms. And repeating the forecast forecast based on latest observations, on day 1, that's on 11th of December, there is a possibility of light rainfall with much lesser spatial distribution than yesterday's. 1 or 2 places over North and South Goa district may receive light to moderate rainfall, sometimes accompanied with thunder. And from 12th onwards, weather over Goa is expected to be dry. But again, please be updated with the latest information because these forecasts are based on latest atmospheric observations and numerical weather model outputs.